Today, we're making grilled cheese extravaganza at home with all the things you might have already.
Whoa, look at this beauty. Goodness.
I made that.
My name is David Baudouin and I'm the Canadian Cheese Ambassador. Look for that blue cow right here. This is how you know you're supporting your own dairy farmers. Today I'm making 4 different grilled cheese sandwiches with 6 different Canadian cheese and toppings you probably already have at home. Here I chose feta for the saltiness and I chose mozzarella for the string it will bring to my grilled cheese. Two-color aged cheddar because it's fun, it melts well and goes so well with the pickles. With bacon, I love it when it's smoked and it's good. Oh, a creamy brie, the gooey, and then blue cheese to enhance the cheesiness. It's time to let the kids make their grilled cheese. Thank you for making a conscious decision of buying our own Canadian cheese and our own Canadian milk. Milk is an amazing food. And when you do, you're supporting your farmer, you're supporting their community, therefore your community, your country, and your family, and mine. So thank you.